You're not poor, you're broke. You have poor spending habits. You are a consumer. You spend money on things that you don't make. You need to make something that you can sell. If you're going to spend money on all these Nike shoes and your kids' Nike shoes and polo this and polo, invest in the stock. Get the money back. You're pumping out money. Have your money work for you. Okay, you don't want to invest 3 hours of your life creating a better life, but you'll spend 8, 10, 12 hours on that job that you hate. You're investing all that time getting someone else rich when you can be investing in yourself. Invest in your future. What's 3 hours of your life to have a better life so you aren't in the same position next year that you are in today, that you were in last year and the year before? Nothing changes unless you change. When are you going to change? You have these big goals, dreams, ideas. You want to own your own business, start a business, write a book, do this, do that. But you're surrounded by negative people who don't want more for themselves. So they're going to talk you out of it. They don't want you to climb and get better because that means you're going to leave them. And then necessarily, it doesn't always mean that. But they know you're going to be elevating your life. And everybody can't go with you to the top. Not a lot of people want to go to the top. So if you are the only person in your crew that want to succeed, then you need a new crew. I have a community of like-minded high achievers. We all want to be, do, and have more. We're going to inspire each other and push each other and be each other's accountability partners until we get there. Why not? Life is way too short. Why aren't we living to the best of our abilities? Why are we complaining, going to a job that we hate, in a relationship that we can't stand? We are just existing. You need to live. You need to live. Live till there's no more life yet left. If you were on your deathbed right now, what would you regret? What are the things that you wish you would have did that you never started? Are you a fabulous cook and you want to have your own business, your catering business? Do it. You go to this job, you spend these 40 hours, but then you get off and you sit around and Netflix and chill. Meanwhile, Netflix is making money. That's stock in Netflix. You like Netflix, invest in the stock. Take that time after your job that you hate and invest in yourself. Start your business. There's so much research online to get us to, anybody can be a millionaire these days. You just have to have a mindset and want to do it. You don't even have to want to be a millionaire, but you want more money. Fun equals funds. You need some funds to have fun. So how can you generate more funds in your life? What can you be doing? You at the job all these years begging for a raise, 3%. Update your resume. Go to another company. Give yourself a raise. Raise. And the beauty is, if you don't get the job there, you still have a job. But at least you're trying, putting yourself out there, quit being complacent. Our brain is designed to keep us comfortable, to keep us safe. It doesn't want us to push past our comfort zone. It wants us to stay in this little box where we're safe and nothing's going to harm us because we have a job and we have this relationship. Yeah, it sucks, but at least you're not single and you have this and everything's okay. No, everything is not okay. Just because you have a job doesn't mean anything. You can have a career. You can have your own business. You can have what your heart desires. Don't be in a relationship just to be in a relationship. Who does that? Not you anymore. Get out that whack ass, no good, not going anywhere relationship. You are blocking your blessing. Your person is holding you back from the person that you are meant to be with for the rest of your life. Quit letting them waste your time. You know it's not going anywhere. What are you doing? What are you waiting on? You need a sign. This is it. Bye. Enough is enough. When are you going to realize that? When are you going to stop procrastinating and putting your life on hold? You give to everybody else, yet your cup is empty. You need to pour into your own cup. Pour into your cup first. Start filling your cup up. You deserve it. You deserve to be happy like you're making everybody else happy. Something happened back in the day when you were young, you were traumatized, somebody did something or said something to you, and you holding on to that, and you were young. And then you've grown up and you're an adult now, but it's still inside. You need to get rid of that. They are human, you are human. Give yourself permission to heal. Heal from that trauma. Forgive that person. Forgive yourself. Forgiveness. Start there. Believe in yourself. You weren't given that idea for no reason. It was given to you because it's meant for you to go through with it. To proceed with your passion, your heart desires, your purpose. Why are you here? You've asked, you got your answer. Execute. You do not need permission from anybody else to live your life. You just don't. Quit waiting on it. They're not going to give it to you. I'm giving it to you. Live your life. Don't think, just do it. Start it now. Whatever it is. Quit holding yourself back. Year after year, you're in the same position. You're making $1 more, if that, maybe not. But look how things are going up. The price is ridiculous. Cost of food has almost doubled year over year. I know you've seen the prices if you've been listening to the news or hearing, even the gas. Everything's going up but your salary. Everything is going up but your salary. The kids want more. The cost of food is more. Gas is more. Everything is more. So you have to be more. What are you going to do to be doing half more? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? When? When are you going to do it? Time waits for no man. Don't think. Just do. DM me for details. Getting your life together. It's time to boss up Q4. Create the life we deserve. How to be, do, and have anything your heart desires. All right, friend. Bye.